What up, everybody? Welcome, welcome. What up, Rocky? Rock, I almost finished that whole area that we were doing. Cody, what up, what up? Nothing, Brady. Everything went paid for. Thanks, Brady. Brady, I didn't know you collected NBA. Otherwise, I would have tagged you, or at least throw you a message to let you know what was up. You know, I didn't know. What up, everybody? Yes, hopefully a tiger print for sure, Tommy. Welcome, Tommy. I saw you bought a bunch of teams. I appreciate you. Let's see. It's going to take a couple more people, and then we're going to get started here. Let's get this rolling. Ryan Hardine. Yeah, I think I got everybody else. You got to tag Ryan. I think we'll be all set. Watch a little baseball tonight, Tommy, but no fights. All right. Everybody is tagged. Every team is paid for. Let's get ripping here. Gonna glove up and we'll get going. I haven't done basketball in a while. I just, it's believe it or not, from a breaker standpoint, NBA just the profit's not the same. Believe it or not, I don't know what it is or if it's bad timing for me or what. So I tend to stay away from NBA and baseball. I would love to do the both of them, but Just the money isn't there. You end up breaking even or a little more than that. That's about it. I'd like to do a lot more basketball. Maybe I should start doing pick a team, get one random, and lock a few. I used to do that this past winter with NBA Hoops. I remember doing that a couple times. People seem to like that. So maybe the PYT isn't the way to go. PYT, pretty young thing. All right. So for those who've never done my breaks before, I sleeve up all cards. And then all hits will be top loaded. I make sure that I wrap them up nicely, bubble wrap. And I make sure that they get to in the same shape that they left me in. So there's no worries there. If you want any pictures of any of your cards, I could also do that at the end of the break or by tomorrow morning. I could definitely send you a picture of any of your hits and all that. So, let's get ripping. We're 7 minutes after 9:30. Let's do it. We got 10 NBA Select hangers. We got the Shimmer Prisms. They're 4 hanger box exclusives per box on average. Let's see what else we got here. Ultra Rare Tiger Prisms. Obviously, that's what Tommy said earlier that we're looking for. And Insert Turbocharge, Rookie Revolution, and more retail exclusives. Let's do it. Let's get a rippins. Good luck, everybody. Let me just get these up and out of here. 20 cards per box. Hopefully there are some bangers out of here. Thank you guys for spending your Saturday night with me here. Listen to me ramble on about this, that, and the other thing. Hopefully my Timberwolves are a little bit better this year. We'll see what happens. Anthony Edwards is on the box here, and hopefully he ends up being everything that he was supposed to be. Let's get it. Good luck, everybody. Also, if you've never done a break with me before, get me your address, or at least make sure it's the correct one if you've moved or any of that. I will make sure that I update that in my shipping system. So 20 cards per. Let's see here. Select cards are always real nice cards, no matter what sport it is. They're always real nice. I always like select cards. Malachi Flynn, Bojan Bogdanovic, Andre Drummond, and we already hit a LaMelo Ball. Congrats to the Hornets. With a Cam Johnson. Cam Johnson came up huge in the finals. I believe he's from North Carolina too. It doesn't say on here. I've always liked UNC. Josh Green, Gallinari, Colin Sexton, Eric Bledsoe, Aaron Nesmith, Keldon Johnson, Michael Porter Jr., Jaylen Brown, and here are the woo-wee! Look at those. Damian Lillard. These are the Shimmers. Shimmy, shimmy. Tyrese Maxey, Kemba Walker, Alex Caruso, with an Azubuike, a James Harden, and a Peyton Pritchard. Shimmers are nice, bro. Now, correct me if I'm wrong. They don't have the Shimmers in NFL, right? From what I remember. I don't believe... I mean, unless it was just some kind of real rare thing, but... I don't believe, if I'm not mistaken. Could be maybe just an NBA thing only. One down, 9 more to go. I don't want to reveal that last card, but it wasn't LaMelo. Killian Hayes, Marvin Bagley. And if you don't see me top load some of the hits that come through, that's mainly because just trying to save time. All those shimmers will be put in top loaders and all that. I'll take care of you guys. So just the big time hits that come through, I'll do that right on screen. Giannis, James Harden, Denny. We're going to have to change this up a little bit, this song. I'm getting sick of it. See what we got here. Vernon Carey, Bogdanovich, Ramsey, Eric Paschal, sorry if I mess up these names, Dante DiVincenzo, Karl Anthony Towns, Daniel Oturu, Malachi Flynn, Cassius Stanley. Ooh, boy. Woo! Rookie selections. LaMelo Ball. Bogdanovich and Nick Richards. Wow. Nice hits. Nice hit. Congrats to the Hornets. Okay, so far, 2 LaMelos. 2 LaMelos. Let's go. We need some Anthony Edwards in here. We need some Tyrese Halliburton. Let's do it. Come on, come on, come on. We need it. Maybe some James Wisemans. Empty. Kyrie, Isaiah Joe, Steph Curry, Luka, Tyrese Halliburton. Nice hit for the Kings. Congrats to Todd. Peyton Pritchard, Draymond Green, Trae Young, Aaron Gordon, Derek White, CJ Elleby, Paul George, ooh, Luka. Ooh, a Shimmer. Shimmer Select. Shimmer Select Tyrese Halliburton. Fred VanVleet. Okongwu. Patrick Williams. DeJounte Murray. And Rudy Gobert. Nice hits for the Kings. Sorry about that, guys. Sabonis, Levine, Devin Hassel. What's good with this music? I was playing NBA music. Let's see here. Davis Bertans, Manuel Quickly. Oh yeah, we're playing basketball. Porzingis, Zion, Chris Paul, Obi Toppin, nice hit for the Knicks. Darius Garland, Jalen Smith, Rudy Gobert, Kevin Love, Markelle Fultz, Patty Mills, Andrew Wiggins, Alexander, Poku, Vernon Carey Jr., and Mark Cannon. see here. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen this year for the NBA. I don't know if Milwaukee will be Milwaukee and the Lakers, or some other surprise team's going to come. I know there's all the Ben Simmons drama that's going on. Ja Morant, R.J. Hampton, Jason Tatum, Kenyon Martin, Sabonis, Levine, Burtons, Quickly, Porzingis, Jackson, Azubuike, sorry if I said that wrong, Hardaway Jr., Peyton Pritchard, Draymond Green, nice jaw there. Josh Okogie, LeBron James, nice hit for the Lakers, and then numbers Giannis, Tyrese Maxey, and Isaac Okoro. Let me sleeve up these. I'll top load them later just so big time hits. Playing basketball. Remember my gym teacher, she used to play this on repeat.
Analyzes thousands of details to give every car a deal rating from great to overpriced. The best part? Just 30% of cars earn our highest ratings. So when you see a great deal, you know it's a great deal. Car Gurus.
This is the Michael Jordan mix, Back in Blood. NFL's got like all these songs that you can play. I like playing songs while I do my breaks. Maybe it's just a video of Michael Jordan. RJ Barrett, Sabin Lee, Brandon Clark, Rui, Jalen Smith. Let's see here. Let's see, I know this is a basketball song right here. We fly high, no lie. Killian Hayes, Bagley, Lonzo. The wrong ball. We want more LaMelos. Brook Lopez. To the shimmies. DeAndre Ayton. Big part of that Suns run. Desmond Bay. Patty Mills. Paul George. Another LaMelo. This one's just a regular rookie selections. Followed by a Patrick Williams and an R.J. Hampton. Thank you guys again for joining me this evening. Saturday night, and you're spending it with me. You're listening to We Fly High, No Lie. Boy! Four more hangers left. Let's do it. Good luck, everybody. Let's sneak an auto in here. Let's sneak something numbered in here. Let's go. Takes me back to high school, this song. They used to play it at the basketball games. Tyrell Terry, Boy, Eldridge, Oladipo, Okoro, LeBron James, Achua, Kawhi, Theo Maledon, Markelle Fultz, Cole Anthony, Alex Caruso, Kobe White, Darius Garland, Cam Johnson. For the shimmy, Josh Green shimmy, Jokic, Miles Turner, Joel Embiid. You got the Bam Bam Bigelow, and then a Kevin Love. Yeah, the Philadelphia situation's interesting. Like, they were always supposed to be so good. Ooh, chill with that language, though, bro. Might got kids listening. They were supposed to be so good. They had a stacked team, and I don't know. And you got Ben Simmons. I don't know where he's going to end up. But I have a feeling something big is going to be happening soon with that whole situation. Three more boxes left. The retail, man, sometimes retail will surprise you, and sometimes, it's just one of those nights. Hopefully these last three hangers are a lot nicer to us. Let's go. Let's see what else we got here for NBA music. Let's see here. Let's see what we got. Kyle Lowry, Campazzo, R.J. Barrett, Saben Lee, Brandon Clark, Rui, Jalen Smith, Donovan Mitchell, Nurkic, Robinson, Markkanen, Joel Embiid, Cole Anthony for Orlando. Got Pat Williams. Nice hit for the Wolves. Dragic. Sadiq Bey. Nice hit for Detroit. Jamal Murray. And Devin Booker. That shimmy's a little different. It's blue. Nice hit. So yeah, all cards, like I said, all the shimmies, all cards like this will be top loaded. The Jokic one, any of the numbers one, those will all be top loaded. Nice for you guys. These silvers, Draymond Green, and a Luka. I'll take care of you guys for sure. Pretty good NFL season so far. I know I usually do NFL, so I like talking NFL this time of year. Lots of crazy stuff happening. Got Carolina 3-0. I mean, it's Ryan Tannehill 2.0. He goes to a better managed team, a better, with a better system. And look at him. Everybody was saying, "Oh, he's no good." So obviously that was the Jets, not Sam Darnold. Jokic, D. Rose, Lewis Jr., Duncan Robinson, Azubuike, Anthony Davis, Lou Will, our first Anthony Edwards. Congrats to Minnesota. Steven Adams, Devontae Graham, Gary Harris, James Wiseman. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Kyrie Irving, Isaiah Joe, Steph Curry, Azubuike. I probably effing that name up. Jason Tatum, Dame Lillard, and Kyrie. My question is, this boy Dame needs to win a championship. He's way too good not to be winning anything. I hope he can get himself a squad where there's a better winning culture. Because whatever's happening, on the Trailblazers just is not working. Not working. Anthony Edwards. Nice hit for my T-Wolves. Last hanger. Be nice. Be nice to these people. They deserve it. Let's do it. Oh, Katrina chiming in. Trailblazer fan? Okay. I mean, I don't know. I thought that when they had Nurkic, I thought that he was going to be like dominant this year. Jusuf Nurkic, right? That's his name. And I picked him in fantasy. And he ended up being hurt for a majority of the season. And I thought that he was going to be something like big time. I thought he was going to be like, not like necessarily like a Jokic, but not that good, but I thought he was going to be up there. So I think that they need like some legitimate big man. I don't know. Bam. Kongwu. Good luck everybody on this last hanger. Tyrese Maxey. Yeah, it's like they're always there and they're always like getting second round. CJ McCollum will get hot. It's just you're just missing that one piece. I don't know what it is. Yeah, that's what I mean. He was hurt, so it's like maybe that's what was happening. Ingram, Tobias Harris, this guy, see where he ends up. Ben Simmons, Jalen Smith, Caleb Martin, Rui, Obi, and our last four shimmies, Bogdanovic, Drummond. Ooh, another LaMelo. Yeah, the Hornets definitely won this break. Another LaMelo. Kyle Lowry, Denny, Killian Hayes, and to end, in my opinion, the greatest shooter ever, Steph Curry. Woo! End with a bang. Oh, Anthony, you are there. All right. I was going to say, I know the guy who got the Hornets. I know he's here. I know his name was Anthony, waiting for you to pop up. Okay, do a little recap. We got some LaMelo basics. James Wiseman. A LaMelo shimmy. Shimmy, baby. We got an Anthony Edwards, our only Anthony Edwards, unfortunately. Dudes on the box. We got rookie selections. LaMelo. Basic LaMelo. A Tyrese shimmies. And a bunch of other great hits, like there's LeBron James numbers, Giannis numbers, and a bunch more. Thank you guys so much. If I don't have your address, if you paid through Facebook and not eBay, please hit me up on the messages and make sure that you give me your address. Sweet hit with the LaMelo. Nice. Thank you everyone again, and have a great evening.